is Xtime's state-of-the-art online system for making your own service appointments, featuring our most convenient and intuitive interface yet. It sets a new standard for ease of use when booking a service online. Let's see how it works. From your dealer's website, click the link to book a service. When Consumer7 launches, you'll have 4 options. Use Log Me In if you already have a username and password. Use the Find Me option to find your vehicle by searching on your phone number. I'm New Here lets you enter information about your car to get started without registering. I'm in a Hurry lets you book a same-day appointment without registering or entering any information. Let's see how each option works. To use Log Me In, start by entering your username and password. If you've forgotten either of those, just click I lost my username or I lost my password. You can click the checkbox if you want the system to remember your username the next time you log in. Then click Log In to launch the home page. Use the Find Me option to search on your phone number or on the appointment confirmation code. Enter your phone number and click Find Me. You can use spaces, dashes, or periods. For security reasons, no personal information associated with your phone number is shown. All cars associated with the phone number entered are displayed. If more than one car is present, you can select the correct car for the appointment, or search by phone number again, or select a new car to associate with this phone number. If you're checking on an appointment you already made, you can use Find Me to search on your confirmation code. Instead of your phone number, just enter the code from the confirmation email you were sent and click Find Me. Enter your email address and click Confirm to launch the Review and Book page. From this page, you can do the following: cancel the appointment, edit the appointment details, such as the transportation type, or edit the services included in the appointment by adding, removing, or replacing the current services. If you haven't already registered with Consumer7, you can use the I'm New Here option to quickly book an appointment. Choose your car's make and year from the pull-down lists, then click Get Started. Then choose your model using the vehicle pictures. Last, choose a model trim and enter the current mileage. Finally, the I'm in a Hurry option lets you book an appointment for the soonest available time without providing any vehicle or service information. This takes you directly to the Review and Book tab. Choose an available time from the pull-down list and click OK Book It. Enter your contact information and let us know if your dealer should contact you by clicking on the checkbox and entering a note. Then click Book It. Once you enter Consumer7 by any of the 4 options, you have access to 4 different tabs. Each login option opens the appropriate tab in the appointment flow. Log Me In opens the home page. Find Me and I'm New Here open the Vehicle tab, and I'm in a Hurry opens the Review and Book tab. Use the Vehicle tab to specify your car's make, model, year, and details, including trim level and current mileage. Use the Services and Repair tab to choose service packages and individual services. The Appointment tab displays when the appointment is scheduled and lets you choose a different day and time. You can also choose a specific advisor and any available transportation options. The Review and Book tab shows all details of the appointment and lets you make changes before booking. The Vehicle tab is where you specify which of your vehicles you want serviced. Click the Make and Year section. Choose the make from the pull-down list. Then choose a year from the pull-down list. If you logged in, these items may be pre-selected. Now let's look at the Model and Details sections, located below the make and year. If you click Model, the models associated with that make and year are displayed. There may be several pages of models. Use the arrows on the left and right sides of the images to scroll. Click the model for this appointment. That returns you to the previous view. Then click Details. The choices for trim level are based on the model you selected. Choose the trim level, enter your actual mileage, and then click Next. To book a service package, click Select a Service Package. This shows the available packages based on the mileage you entered. If you're not selecting a service package, skip this step and select individual services. The arrows on the right and left let you choose service packages at higher or lower mileages. Click a package to display the package details and a comparison chart if there's more than one package available. Review the package comparison. Uncheck any optional services you don't want. The package price changes accordingly. When you've decided which package you want, click Add to Cart. Then click Close in the top right corner of the package window. Click Next to finish booking the appointment, or click Choose Individual Services and Repairs to add more items. There are tabs for individual services and for repairs. You can add these a la carte items in addition to a package or as standalone services. Click the Services, Repairs, or Recommended tabs to show the services for that category. The Recommended tab may include services that were deferred at the last appointment, and recall services if the vehicle manufacturer has recall integration with Xtime. Click the service you want, then click Add to Cart. Repeat this process for each service. You can switch between the tabs at any time. When you've selected all the services you want, click Next to go to the Appointment tab. Or, click Not Sure What Your Vehicle Needs if you aren't sure which service to choose. You can also search for services if you want to reduce the choices shown, or if you're not sure which service you need. Enter a word in the search box, such as tires. Matching services are shown in the Search Results tab. Click the service you want, then click Add to Cart. Repeat to add more services. When you're done picking your services, click Next to go to the Appointment tab. Or, click Not Sure What Your Vehicle Needs if you aren't sure which service to choose. If you've chosen that you're not sure what your vehicle needs, click the text box to show a larger box where you can describe your concern or problem. Text is limited to 500 characters, including spaces. When you get to the dealer, the service advisor will recommend services based on your description. Click Next to move on to the Appointment tab. The Appointment tab shows appointment availability, advisors, and transportation options. Pick an advisor from the pull-down list, or leave as the default. Choose a transportation option. Not all options may be available from your dealer for that vehicle. Choose the day and time for the appointment. Time slots are color-coded. Blue time slots are available. Gray time slots are already fully booked. When you click an available time slot, it turns orange. Click Next to move on to the Review and Book tab. Once you're done scheduling the appointment, the Review and Book tab is displayed. Review the appointment information. Click on the Edit button to make changes. Review the selected services and the vehicle information. Click the Edit button to make changes. Enter your contact information. If you already logged in, this information will be pre-filled. If you want the dealer to contact you, click the Please Contact Me Regarding This Order checkbox and enter additional details in the box provided. To book the appointment, click Book It. Once you've booked the appointment, the confirmation page displays helpful information and further choices, including the appointment confirmation number, the ability to add this appointment to your online calendar, the option to print the appointment details, the estimated total cost, a map and directions to the dealer, and the option to register if you haven't already done so. Once you've registered, you can use the Log Me In option on future visits. Plus, you get your own homepage and specific service timelines for each of your cars. Of course, you can always contact your dealer to create your Consumer 7 account for you instead. When you book an appointment, you'll receive a confirmation email that includes all the details as well. Once you've registered, you can access your own personalized homepage where you can update your information online. The home page is the first page that's shown when using the Log Me In option. You can also get to it by clicking the Register button from the confirmation page and completing the form. From the home page, you can add a vehicle to your customer record, update your mileage, view your service timeline, create a new appointment or make changes to an existing appointment, add the current appointment to your online calendar, view notifications such as the last time your vehicle mileage was updated and any upcoming appointments, or access your settings page. If you click Service Timeline on the home page, it takes you to your car's service timeline. The timeline lets you add another vehicle, see your car's service history in monthly, quarterly, or yearly increments, including completed appointments and future recommended services. View the details of the next recommended service, update the mileage, and change your contact preferences by clicking either Settings or Reminder Settings. We recommend you register with Consumer7 and use the timeline. This lets you become a better informed car owner and lets your dealer provide you with the best customer support. The Settings page shows your personal information and lets you choose which dealer communications to receive. Click Settings or Reminder Settings to bring up the page. Click the Email checkbox to receive emails with special offers from your dealer. If you want to receive text message notifications, enter your mobile phone carrier and number, then click Verify. Use the checkboxes to set your email, phone, and text preferences. The Vehicle Details page shows your car's make, year, model, and VIN, and lets you update your license plate information. From here, you can also add another car to your customer record. The My Details page shows your personal information such as name, address, phone numbers, preferred contact method, and email address. You can update this information at any time. Be sure to include a valid email address. And that's how easy it is to use Consumer7, the industry standard for online customer appointment booking. Consumer7 sets a new standard for ease of booking appointments. Register now and book your next service appointment online.